The Food Service Exchange presents.
Some of the features of our barbecues is the construction. It's a 100% stainless steel construction. The handles, the grates, every nut and bolt is stainless steel. Our warranty is superior. We have a 1-year parts and labor warranty with a 10-year warranty on our cooking grates and on our burners. No one else has such a comprehensive warranty. The bodies are not held together with nuts and bolts. They are solid welded construction. This makes them tougher, more durable. They're built like a tank. We put crash bars on here to protect the knobs because a lot of operators are going in and out of doorways, in and out of trucks with these grills, and this protects the knobs. All Crown Verity barbecues have removable domes. We pull the stainless steel pins, and every dome is on a track. So all we have to do is slide them off. We can also slide on a griddle and use the same pins to lock the griddle in place. They're engineered to take shelves. We also have it pre-engineered, so a year later if the chef decides he wants a front shelf, he can order one. It's also engineered to take a rotisserie. Particular attention should be given to the portability of the units. We have locking casters. We have 14-inch wheels here. I can move this around with one finger. It's very, very portable, which is important to caterers and operators. One of our best-selling options are our removable bun racks. They're removable and they're adjustable. We can set it at a high level, or we can set it down to the low level, or there's also a medium level. Another great feature of Crown Verity grills are the angled stainless steel legs and the stainless steel undershelf, which give it a rock solid durability. It gives it structural integrity like no other grill on the market. They're built to take abuse, and they do take abuse. Another great feature that Crown Verity grills have for chefs in particular is the ease of cleaning. Because everything's stainless steel, we can power wash these out. You cannot hurt anything, but the big feature is we have a water pan. All the fat will eventually work its way down to the water pan. We keep water in here, and it's very, very easy to clean. At the end of the day, we just drain the water out. We have a drain right here. We just drain the water into a bucket and away you go. If we're doing fatty foods and let's say hamburgers, the hamburger fat will actually hit the radiant and it comes up and flavorizes the meat. If it misses, the fat lands in the water and that prevents any grease fire. So always keep water in the water pan, and it gives humidity and moisture to the product that you're cooking.